Alright guys, so in this video, you and I were going to be solving this plane majoration question we have on the board. So first things first, if you are in today's class, say parents in the comment section, and if you are just joining us for the first time, I am Tutor Scientist, and I make maths and physics easy and accessible to everybody online with a touch of chemistry. Alright, so all I need you to do is just like this post, share this post, and also drop your opinion in the comment section. So without no wasting of time, let's you and I solve this question together. And if you feel you know the answer to this, you can drop it in the comment section even before I proceed. So now let's go. We have solution. You stay to this point, please like this video, also share it to your friends. Thank you. Okay, so the question is, in the rectangular box, side DC is equal to 12 centimeter and side BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Calculate the angles between the planes AFGD and ABCD. This is the rectangular box they are talking about, and of course you can see this is a three-dimensional shape: the X, the Y, and the Z axis, and it is known as what? A cuboid. All right. So now moving on. For you to solve this, first of all, to calculate the angle between the planes, we are going to be having a resulting diagram. Resulting diagram will be something like this. All right. You have here to be theta. You have here to be what? You have here to be D. You have here to be G, and you have here to be what? To be C. Because if we look from here, we have AFGD, and of course we have ABCD, right? So as you can see, it forms a triangle. So this is the resulting diagram. We have this side to be 12 cm. We have this side to be what? To be 8 cm. All right. So now, what are we going to use to solve this problem? We are going to be using a basic trigonometric geometric functions. We use SOHCAHTOA to record them, right? So implies sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Car implies cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and of course tan TOA refers to tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, which corresponds to this particular question we have here. We have the opposite and we have the adjacent, so we are going to be using tan theta. So we have tan theta will be equal to what? 8, right? 8 is opposite the angles. 8 divided by what? The adjacent, which is 12. Now if we divide it with our calculators, we get tan theta is equal to 0.666666. As you can see, it is a recurring decimal, right? So we approximate it to 4 decimal places. So we have 0.666667. Yes, 0.667. That's 4 decimal places, right? So now we have theta. Theta will now be equal to the inverse of this particular value, because you are dividing both sides by theta. So we have the inverse of tan theta. Inverse of 0.6667. And if we use our calculators for this, we get 33.67, which is approximately 33.7 degrees, right? So 33.7 degrees is the angle, is the measure of the angle between the planes AFGD and of course ABCD. So if you enjoyed today's class, please don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.